Hey guys, welcome back to Novice Tutorials. Today we'll be understanding what is the use of comments and how we can create comments in an HTML search file. Let's search for Notepad++ in Windows search bar. Open Notepad++. Create a new file. So I have the boiler code for the HTML file. Let's take this file, set it in a new file. Let's change the language to HTML so that we can see the keyword getting highlighted. So comments are used to document your code. To explain what we're doing in the code, we will use comments. In HTML, comment tag should be defined like this. Starting with angular brace, exclamatory mark, hyphen, hyphen. This is the opening tag of the comment and the closing tag is this thing. So whatever you write within this block, that will not be displayed in the browser. So when the document gets rendered in the browser, whatever the text that you type within this block of code, that will be ignored by the browser, and that will not be rendered in the browser. So let me type something over here and see what is happening. This is a comment, and this will not be rendered in browser. Let's save the file, call it as comment underscore tag dot html. Make sure you are selecting the type as hypertext markup language and save this file. Let's go to the place where we have saved this file. Select that file, open it, Google Chrome. You see, if you look at the body of the tag, which is this empty white screen, you're not seeing anything because we have typed something which is inside this block of code, which is a comment. So during the execution, while parsing the document, browser will look at this block of code, and inside the body we are using a comment. So whatever we have written inside the comment, browser will ignore this block of code and will render the remaining parts of the body. So since we don't have anything other than comment inside the body, nothing is getting displayed in the browser. So the moment I have written some key tag, then it will start showing up the context. Let me type this key tag here. Say this, I'll come back to the browser and then refresh it. You see, the tags which are other than the comments are getting displayed in the browser, but not the comment tag. So basically, you will use these comments to document the code that you are returning, document the code that you are writing. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like our content, do like, share, comment, and subscribe.